complicated relationship.
Complicated relationship.
Counter nila yung isa't isa. Nasa gitna sila ng oo at hindi.
Lilia is back in the lineup. Ladies and gentlemen, game number 1. The Lilia is the support here para sa side ng BSB. Lar, pumapasok na siya dito ng kanyang sand skateboard.
Sand skateboard.
As Team BSB will just use the flame shot to negate that. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now up to the Little Wanderer Onyx PH getting that free one in the top lane.
So, bakit sobrang importante nung dalawang flame shot dito nung side ng BSB? Cap 1 and Rebor, meron silang flame shot that has a 60, if I'm not mistaken, a 60-second cooldown. So that means 150 yung flicker.
Yeah.
150 yung flicker. So for every flicker adjustment na meron sila, or every flicker cooldown na meron sila dito onto the side of Onyx PH, kung hindi man sila naka-pull yourself together, they actually have 2 uses of the flame shot.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time. So, hindi makakalapit kagad dito ang Atlas, and hindi rin pwede makalapit kagad si Yakno. And I think BSB, hindi natin...
Nanakaw! Nanakaw ng mountain siya, nanakaw. Nanakawan sila dito. Drix actually gets that orange buff.
Wow. Nice mountain shocker mula kay Drix, pero mukhang may heavy follow-up dito na perfect match. Si kaibigan Jay, papasok na naman si Wise dito with the quad shadow. No power star power lockdown yet for Wise to Venus actually to get the counter initiation. BSB getting a free orange buff for Drix. Easy farm for Drix. Level 5 na si Drix dito. Meanwhile, Onyx PH, ladies and gentlemen, still finding their experience. Medyo unfortunate. Actually, sobrang unfortunate.
Sobrang unfortunate.
Kung ikaw ang Hayabusa kasi gusto mo talagang magkaroon ka ng proper levels to get yourself going, especially na Diki lineup tong kalaban mo. Oo. Ay, nako. May sinipa pa. First blood coming in for Joe. BSB on a roll for the first 2 minutes ng ating laro.
Alam mo, ito yung nakikita ko dito. BSB, they got the orange buff. Nabigay nila kay Drix yun. Drix has an extended amount of orange buff dito. So that means, kapag lumabas yung turtle dito, yung first turtle, may assurance siya na meron pa siyang orange buff.
There you go.
Now,
yes.
Now, Onyx PH, ang nakakapagtaka dito sa totoo lang, nakapag-set up naman sila dun sa may taas, and they really went for the aggressive kahit nandun mismo si Drix. They really tried to get the kill kahit papano para ma-level or ma-equal yung playing field.
Yeah, gusto nila kahit papano makakuha ng tamang exchange. But Butters, ikaw na nag-point out nito, since may extended orange, why not? Ikaw natin ang laban. Ayun ay power star power lockdown. Pero Raging Sandstorm onto 2. At may time journey pero delay na ata ng onte dahil nakapatay pa dito si kaibigan Drix. Single, double. Long range, melee range. Crits are real. The Digi is the one falling down, but BSB getting 2. Meanwhile, meron pa silang turtle and nakuha pa nila yung top lane tower. BSB is now in control sa first 4 minutes ng ating laro. And Cap 1 here to scout out Wise. Cap 1, magiging sacrifice na lang siya dito. That is the Digi death. And mukhang dito na papasok ng strategy ng BSB. Hindi na ngayon makaka-rotate ng maayos ang Onyx PH dahil nga nandito, ladies and gentlemen, si Cap 1. Alam na kagad ng BSB kung saan pupunta itong mga tanks.
Trevor dito doesn't have the black shoes to get away. Noxious. Cap 1 dito is doing a late tribute para sa buhay niya. Naging late tribute na to. Kumbaga, hindi to katulad ng ginawa ni Caplicia from the get-go.
Yeah.
He took himself down. Ang ginawa niya dito, he just went for the early levels. Sinubukan niya muna kunin yung extra level sa time bump niya para magkaroon siya ng extra threat. And look at this. Hinahanap niya talaga kung nasan dito si Wise.
At least may onting damage. And I think it makes sense. It makes sense talaga ng todo. Kasi ngayon may sustain na yung team nila eh. May sustain na yung BSB, malakas na si Drix. Siguro bukod doon sa auto alarm bombs na pinapalakas na yung damage, gusto niya rin na kaya na mag-sustain mag-isa ng mga teammates niya. And mukhang dito na papasok yung sinasabi nating Digi strat. Let's see how can the Festival of Blood counter this. Mukhang tinutuloy-tuloy pa rin ng Onyx PH ang pag-kill sa kanya, pero ang BSB, kuha na ng kuha ng mga towers.
I've been hearing a lot of things about, sabihin na natin dito sa Digi, na bakit niya ginagamit yung ultimate niya. Eh, wala naman siyang ninenegate na kahit anong stun. Wala naman siyang ninenegate na kahit anong slow.
Oo.
It's a matter of getting the extra armor.
Yes.
And when you get the extra armor, what does that do? They actually use more resources than
Oo.
intended.
To get you, pero Atlas will actually get the turtle. That is the kill onto Drix. Star running away, pero hinampas siya ng masa dito. At ayun yung star power lockdown ni Oh My Venus. Ang pa ng mga planets attack with the execute kill. Coming in from Yaknu, Trevor, still running away, and BSB, even though nakakuha sila ng magandang vision, nakuha sila ng magandang space, it's still Onyx PH getting that victory. Kapwa now in the mid lane. Pause muna tayo doon sa Itlog Martyr Strats.
Oo.
Kuya Butters. Meanwhile, makukuha ata dito si Wise, pero flicker out on the show. And alam na natin yan, automatic. Huwag ka na magtaka kapag namatay ang isang team.
Ngayon, katulad nung post ng Onyx PH kanina, Winnie the Pooh, hindi Winnie Monson, Winnie the Pooh, ang Onyx PH dito, in terms of getting as an objective sa buong mapa.
Oo.
Wish sila magpapatigil dito, pre.
Hindi talaga.
Wish na
Tutuloy-
wish.
Wish Khalib.
Wish. Wish na wish.
Wise na Wise.
Oh.
And look at the score of Wise. 5-0-7. Ladies and gentlemen, this is scary. Kasi even though you are the Lilia, even though you are the Yishod Shin, with the Shadow Kill, susundan ka ng ultimate device eh. Susundan ka ng ultimate. So this is looking bad right now for BSB. Onyx PH, they stayed with their win condition, and their win condition is to the clutch win that turtle fight. After that, they're now in control of the entire map with just one fight. Butters, 15-4. BSB they were actually leading by 2K, 3K kanina. But I think BSB, they underestimated the damage potential. Pag nahuli mo dito, si Wise, and I think that's the mission for the side of BSB. Like what we've said, Wise is now on a godlike, ladies and gents. And he is the main target for the BSB squad. But how can you, dahil may nakaharang na Atlas dito, the turtle will now go to Drix. Pero Fatalix on 2-2. Sabay may penalty zone. Sabi ni Wilson, ako rin, marunong din ako dumabog.
Marunong din ako dumabog. And that's the thing, Onyx PH dito, they're not afraid to fight.
I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Eminem.
Kung titignan mo si Digi dito, sa totoo lang, tinigilan niya na.
Ayaw niya na eh.
Medyo, ang ginagawa na lang ni Digi ngayon, information. Ayan, sabi niya, sige,
ayan na.
papakita uli ako.
What's up, what's up,
What's up, kamusta?
What's up,
Oo,
what's
sige,
up?
take vision.
Mission, kapag may vision, merong
Merong mission,
mission.
no?
Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Binabati ko pala lahat ng mga mag-online class na.
Oo.
Yun.
Makinig kayo.
Makinig kayo. Lagi niyong tatandaan yan. Mission is vision. And with vision, may core values. And mukhang wala nang core values dito ang side ng PSP dahil chinupchak nga ni Wise. Si kaibigang Wilson, the star power lockdown will connect on to Trevor, but that is the black shoes. Trevor will go for the counterplay. Drix going in for the Bloods. They will chase this with the traceless in. The Dig is still here. Naku po, nahuli pa si The Queen. Sinipa pabalik, may onting pektus. Oh, may Venus will use a Cyclone Eye to get away. Anna will dodge the planet's attack, and Team BSB. Ang layo ng hinabol nila, pero isa lang ang nakuha nila, which is si Wise. But I think it's okay kasi na-even up pa rin yung macro ng map. Raging Stars, Sandstorm.
Masaya si Dilar na kahit na-takedown siya doon, hindi nawala yung mid lane turret na yan.
Yes.
That is the most important part of the Onyx PH map right now. Na
Yes.
kapag katumumba yan, there is a big chance na BSB can just turn this around kasi open na yung floodways dito.
Yes.
Can you call it floodways? I'm gonna call it floodways.
Yes.
Doon sa may mga jungle monsters sila.
Oo.
Now, tignan mo Manjin, looking at that fight, i-analyze ko na yung fight dito.
Sige.
Tignan mo yung gold. Kanina lamang yung Onyx PH ng 1K to 2K gold.
Yun na nga.
Nung namatay si Wise, ng isang beses, umangat bigla yung BSB. And that's the shutdown gold na sinasabi natin.
Yun na nga ang bingo, ladies and gentlemen, para dito sa side ng BSB. And anak ko po, mukhang may Mountain Shocker coming in dito. Quad Shadow, mahuli pa ata. Okay, so mahuhuli si Kapuan. Ba't nga ba natin inahype yan? si, si Diggy na automatic nga naman na yun na ang mission niya. Probably still gonna give another shutdown gold para sa kanyang team. Wilson, ladies and gentlemen, siya ata mahuli dito. Penalty zone on 2-2. Where's the Fatal Licks? Wala. Mawala dito si Jay. Another pick-off coming in for BSP. Slowly but surely, Team BSP picking off Onyx PH one by one. Men, ang ganda rin kasi ng combo eh. Reverse time doon sa mga chaotic orbs, balls ni Trevor. And then you have a Mountain Shocker. So ang dami mong follow-up kapag ikaw din ang BSP. Kaya, men, ang taas din ang damage output. Makatis, another kick. And there you go, basag ang Torre dito ng side ng Onyx PH. Dito na papasok yung sinabi mo, Butters, importanteng Torre sa mid.
Men, ito yung ano eh, nag-upload ako ng video sa TikTok.
Oh, ano
Sabi ko abangan nila si Ana.
At ayun na.
Yung iba pre sabi nila, bakit daw si Ana? Yun yung dahilan kung bakit si Ana. Nasipa niya si Wise papunta sa kawalan.
Nako na nga, nagkasipean na time journey coming in. But that is a shutdown na magmumula dito sa Balmond. Ana coming in. He wants to get Lar. Pumasok dito ang auto-alarm bombs. At nasipa pa siya patalikod. 22-10. BSP. Men manning up to the runner-ups. And now, Butters coming into the late game. We're always saying na ang Balmo nag-i-expire ang damage output. And there you go. Sige, may nakuha siyang kills. That is a mega kill. But man, yung counter go ng time journey showing us dito sa Gillette Instant Replay, it saved BSP for the potential loss. And but right now, it's still Onyx PH going into the Lord. Half-health ng Lord natin dito. Nandito na si kaibigang Wilson. The knock-off is there. Magmumula sa Lord. Trevor, Black Shoes out. Wise, sino ang first target niya? Yung Lord nalilito na rin. Time Journey! Oh! Wise! Pero still, nakapatay pa rin ang side ng BSP. Iyak no running for his life. Flicker out. Hinahabol siya ng umiikot na itlog. The speeding egg mula dito sa side ng BSP. Top one. Still BSP even though Wise with the clutch, Lord still BSP with the sustain that they have, with the items that they have. Automatic 3 kills at masasayang yung take dito ng Onyx PH.
Let's try to analyze that fight, Manjin. Ito yung nangyari. Si Wise was there, Onyx PH, they knew that it was the perfect time for them to actually contest the Lord.
Yes.
Sabi kasi nila, Drix isn't really in the area.
Oo.
And pagka wala si Drix, wala silang retribution.
Yun na nga.
So that means one up na agad yung Onyx PH doon. Wala na yung carry nila, wala na yung main source of damage nila, wala ka pang retribution. So it was really the perfect time to fight.
Yeah.
But what I liked about BSP there is hindi na nila tinutukan yung Lord. Sabi nila, hindi din naman natin maaagaw yan kasi nasa kanila yung retribution kahit subukan natin. May
So,
chance, pero slim.
Yeah. So laban na lang.
Laban na lang.
Laban na lang. Alam mo na, kumbaga, that is one risky move para sa side ng BSP. And looking at the item, it seems like Drix is the richest one right now. Fatalix on 2-3. Where's the follow-up? Time journey counter go. Drix is out. Nasa kanya ang camera dito. Oh, quad shadow pero ang daming units. Naku po, na-reverse time. Boom! Dash in, normal dash in sa pack mula kay Ana. Jay, tumatakbo na. Mukhang wala na atang damage output. Wala na nga ang Onyx PH. Nakapatay pa ng isa si The Queen dito pero si Dilar ang magtataya ng kanyang buhay. Mountain Shocker hinahabol. Si May Venus, si Ma'am Shoes.
Si Ma'am Shoes.
Si Ma'am Shoes.
Ma'am Shoes.
Ano? Tatamaan si Dix.
Kaula si Drix.
Baka Ma'am Shoes yan. Winter Truncheon mula kay Ma'am Shoes dito.
Si Wilson.
Si Wilson,
palumpalo.
Palumpalo si Wilson. Kasama niya yung itlog. Pero Ma'am Shoes, sabi ni Oh My Venus, pues, meron kayong itlog. Meron akong 5 itlog. At ayan, ang mga planets attack. Onyx PH, Oh My Venus, with the itlog outplays Butters.
Ito sinasabi ko sa'yo, Kuya Manjin. Ang sabi doon ni Oh My Venus, iyak no, punta ka dito. Kaya natin panalo to eh.
Kaya natin panalo to.
Ano ba yung pinakadulong linya?
Ano?
Like legit.
Like legit. Legit with receipt.
Ay, nako.
Let's look at the Gillette Instant Replay. We all thought that it's going to be BSP, but the damage, the scaling from the Cyclops. Ladies and gents, ang leader ng X-Men. 5 itlog. At yung itlog pa ni Venus, malasado.
Oo.
Yung kay ano kasi, yung kay Kapuan, hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled.
Alam mo naman, mas masarap ang malasado.
Oo,
Fathers,
tama
eh.
naman. Ano ba? Wala. May analysis ba tayo dyan?
May alam mo kasi, yung kay
Ano?
Venus, pag malasado ang itlog mo, makakailan ka eh.
Oo.
Diba? Ang hardboiled kasi isa lang parang
Isa lang,
nakakana.
isa lang, oo.
Eh, yung kay Venus 5 eh. 5 malasado.
Oh,
At
oy.
ako, eto na nga,
What?
may laban na naman. Ako po, time journey. Oh! Penalty zone on the 5. And look at the damage of Oh My Venus from the back. That is a killing spree. Para dito kay Cyclops at umikot na. Patay na pala yung digi dito habang si Iacno hinahabol. Sabi ng BSP, it's our time to shine. Hinahabol din na si Iacno dito. Pero ayun, shut down para kay Oh My Venus. Sabi ni Drix, not in our town. 20 to 30. Wipeout ang Onyx PH. Hardboil pa rin. Sa side ng BSP, it seems like it's the end of the game, Butters.
It really looks like it. May cannon sila dito sa may middle lane. BSB, they can take this straight to the base. Onyx PH, they actually lose game number 1 again.